Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Beyblade Guy. So I had ordered from Shopee. I had ordered a Beyblade Stadium. So that Beyblade Stadium comes with 2 Beyblades, 2 launchers, and 1 Beyblade Stadium. So yeah, I ordered it yesterday. I ordered it on 11 December 2020, and I got it on 12 December 2020. Because I live in Singapore, Sengkang, and code drive 301B, 1557. So I ordered it and it came to my house in one day. And typically, Shopee said that it was shipped from the Changi airport. Yeah. So now, this is what I got. It's a metal battle top. So it comes with what I told you: 2 Beyblades, 2 Beyblades, 2 launchers, and 1 stadium. So why don't we open it? Oh, it's open. Let's see. Ooh, we get a Hasbro stadium. It looks sick. Oh my god, it looks so sick. I can't wait to see what bait. Oh, I got Venom Diablos and Cosmo Valkyrie and the stadium. Oh my god. So let me just fix it in. I'm gonna take time. Okay, done. Now, let me open my Beyblades. Put the stadium aside. And Venom Diablos and Erase Diablos. Oh my god. Got one rip card. I got one rip card. One rip card. One rip card. Then one launcher. A metal part. Then the middle layer tip. It's called the BI. This is I, and the other tip, this is B. So typically they combine together and form it like this. That's what's said here. Oh, I got this. Venom Diablos, this tip, and the core middle layer. Oh, it has stickers already. That's fast. Ooh. Oh, wait. I remember something. So I typically had this. What should I say? I typically had this another. No, actually, I got this from this set, and then I put this inside here. I just don't know how to open this Beyblade thing. It's so hard. Oh, got it. No, it's still not. Now got it. Oh, phew. Open. Yeah, so, I got this. Now that was for the Venom and the Ray. And now let's see this. Cosmo Valkyrie. Whoa! A string launcher. Cosmo top. It's typically supposed to be red, but it's fake, so chill. Okay. Got the middle layer. No stickers for this guy. Got this. Well, looks sick. Got the middle part, and let's see the tip. Oh, the tips. Spice and Requiem's blue tip. Yeah, it's typically blue. Okay, so now why don't we battle? So, typically, this is the battle stadium. Oh my god, it's my battle stadium. See, okay, I don't like to battle with it. So I'm just gonna show to you like this. Maybe. Oh yeah, I'll just show you like this. Okay. So I hope you're getting the shirt. Okay, so first up, let's see. So I have my random Diablos and this. Now I'm gonna put it in this. Then take the middle parts, put it inside. And then I have the tip, which I'm gonna put inside too. So Chloe, this is the whole Diablos. Let's try it on its launcher. This is the launcher. Pretty cool. This is the ripcord. You already saw the ripcord. Pretty cool. It's the actual Diablos is ripcord. Yep, sure is. Now, where's my Diablos here? Now, let's see it in action. Woohoo! 3, 2, 1, rip! Whoa, it's sick. It looks sick. Looks sick. Oh my god. This stadium. So typically, if I have World Spriggan, so one of Diablos from here went here, and then boom in my friend's stadium. Pretty cool though. It's pretty cool though. Random Diablos. Now let's see Cosmo Valkyrie. This. Oh yeah, there's some. This. And put this in like this. And put this thing. So typically Cosmo Valkyrie's is red and Slash Valkyrie's military player is blue. Okay, so I'm done. Now let's see how it goes. This. 3, 2, 1, let it rip! Oh my god! It's moving the whole stadium! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! It's moving the whole stadium! Ah! Oh my god! This is literally the coolest Valkyrie I've ever seen. So now, let's see them in battle. So now, I have another string launcher. This is Cosmo Valkyrie's. This is Master Diablos. I don't have Master Diablos because I exchanged Master Diablos. Okay, because I exchanged Master Diablos for World Spriggan. So here my World Spriggan is. I broke its tip, but I put my Phoenix tip on it. It's super sick. Just show you. On my Cosmo Valkyrie launcher. This is my Cosmo Valkyrie launcher. 3, 2, 1, let it rip! See, it's pretty sick. Now I'll just put random Diablos in. Oh my god! OMG, OMG, OMG. Literal GT Bay defeated a sparking bay. I can't believe that. Let's do that again. It was cool. Whoa, and one tick for the sparking bay. Okay, so 3, 2, 1, let it rip. And 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Ooh. It's literally like, I watched Wolf Spriggan first and then this Venom Diablo second. And literally Venom Diablo's lost. Let's do that again. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! 3, 2, 1, go shoot! OMG, it's sick! Oh! 2 survivor finishes in a row. Let's do that again and again. Okay, this time I'm gonna use my this tip. Okay, let's begin first. We'll begin first. 3, 2, 1, go. 3. Oh my god. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my god. Oof. 3 survivor finishes in a row. This thing is sick, but this thing is... Oh my god. This Venom Diablo's bursted, this super sparking. Oh my god. Super sparking Wolf Spriggan. Oh my god. I can't believe it. So, thanks for watching, guys. In my next video, you'll be seeing my Dice Fafnir, Archer Hercules, Venom Diablos, Wolf Spriggan, Cosmo Valkyrie, Phoenix. Yeah, and the Erase Diablos, and many other Beyblades in a marathon. Bye guys, have a nice day.